Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to speed up an already recorded video on TikTok. The first thing you're going to do is open TikTok and you're going to tap on the plus like you will normally do to upload or record a video. And from here, you can tap on upload and select the video that you would like to upload. For example, this one right here. Then you are going to tap on select, then tap on next. After you have done that, you are going to tap on adjust clips from the options in the right hand corner. Then you are going to tap on the icon, the speed icon in the top right hand corner, right above the clip right here. Then you will see the options to speed up, so you can tap on 2x or you can select 3x speed. And that's it. After you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.